for this problem, probably the easiest way to solve would be to use quadratic formula. So remember, my A is 1, my B is 7, and my C is 6 for this one. I'll write the formula. So I'm going to do the opposite of B, so a negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times 6 all over 2 times 1. So what I have is negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 25 over 2. So it's negative 7 plus or minus a 5 over 2. So we've got two cases. One where it's negative 7 plus a 5 over 2, so that would be negative 2 over 2, which is a negative 1. And then we have one where it's a negative 7 minus a 5 over 2, so that would be a negative 12 over 2, which is a negative 6. So we've got a negative 1 and a negative 6, which would be answer choice C.